now that you know why Java is worth learning, let's take a step back and try to understand what Java actually is. Java is a popular and versatile language that is used to build everything from mobile apps or desktop tools to large-scale enterprise-level systems. One of the Java's core principle is write once and run anywhere. That means your code doesn't need to change. You just write it once and it can run on pretty much any operating system, be it Windows, Linux, or Mac. This is possible thanks to the concept of Java Virtual Machine. Think of it as a translator that runs your Java code on any device, making Java platform independent and truly universal. Java is also very beginner friendly. Its clean and organized structure make it easy to pick up, especially if you are just starting out with your programming journey. When it comes to its strengths, Java checks all the boxes. It's secure with built-in protection mechanisms. It's fast and efficient, optimized for better performance, and it's scalable, meaning it can grow with your project from small utilities to even complex enterprise systems. And with a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks which are available, Java lets you build powerful solutions without reinventing the wheel and writing your code from scratch. In short, Java is a reliable, secure, and scalable language that has stood test of time since it has been around